Buy. Bought. Bought. I want to buy some fresh fruit. She bought a new dress yesterday. We have already bought our tickets. Catch. Caught. Caught. I try to catch the bus every morning. He caught a cold last week. They have caught many fish today. Build. Built. Built. They plan to build a new house. The workers built a bridge last year. We have built a strong friendship. Bring. Brought. Brought. I always bring my notebook to class. She brought her brother to the party. He has brought all the documents. Teach. Taught. Taught. I love to teach young children. Mr. Smith taught us English last year. She has taught for 10 years. Think. Thought. Thought. I think it will rain today. He thought about the problem carefully. We have thought of a good solution. Find. Found. Found. I hope to find my lost keys. She found a wallet on the street. They have found the answer. Make. Made. Made. I want to make a cake. She made a mistake yesterday. We have made new friends. Have. Had. Had. I usually have lunch at noon. They had a party last night. She has had many opportunities. Get. Got. Gotten. I want to get a good grade. He got a gift from his uncle. She has gotten much better at swimming. Leave. Left. Left. I will leave the office at 5 p.m. She left her bag on the bus. They have left the country. Keep. Kept. Kept. I always keep my promises. She kept the letter in a drawer. We have kept the secret. Sleep. Slept. Slept. I usually sleep for 8 hours. The baby slept well last night. She has slept enough today. Sit. Sat. Sat. I want to sit by the window. He sat in the front row. They have sat there for hours. Pay. Paid. Paid. I need to pay my bills. She paid the waiter after lunch. He has already paid for the tickets. Meet. Met. Met. I want to meet your parents. She met her friend at the station. We have met before. Send. Sent. Sent. I will send you an email. He sent a package yesterday. She has sent the invitation. Lend. Lent. Lent. Can you lend me a pen? She lent me some money last week. He has lent his car to a friend. Hear. Heard. Heard. I can hear the birds singing. She heard a strange noise last night. They have heard the news already. Lose. Lost. Lost. I don't want to lose my keys again. He lost his phone yesterday. They have lost the game.
Please subscribe to our channel, share, like and comment. Also follow and save on Instagram page. Thank you and see you soon in next video.